Close your eyes and imagine this. Humanity, standing at a crossroads. Our planet, magnificent yet finite, teeters under the weight of its inhabitants. Resources are dwindling, and Earth's ecosystems strain under the pressures of modern civilization. In our relentless drive to thrive, the stars call to us with an enticing proposition: expand or perish. But where would we go? The moon? Already the focus of renewed exploration. Mars? A prime candidate, yet its harshness remains a daunting challenge. Now, turn your gaze outward to a lesser-known yet equally fascinating destination, Ceres. Orbiting in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, Ceres appears at first glance to be an unremarkable, crater-pocked world. A dwarf planet often overshadowed by its more glamorous siblings. But Ceres holds secrets that could rewrite humanity's destiny. It's a place of possibilities, teeming with resources and potential. A place that might just become our next great adventure. What if we moved there? What would life on Ceres look like? What challenges would we face? And what wonders might we uncover? Today, we dive deep into this question, exploring the risks, rewards, and sheer audacity of making this icy dwarf planet our home. But why Ceres? What makes this distant world more than just another cold, rocky body in space? The answer lies in its unique qualities that could make it the perfect stepping stone for humanity's expansion into the cosmos. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt, spanning nearly 600 miles in diameter. Though tiny compared to Earth or even the Moon, its size is deceiving. Beneath its gray, cratered surface lies an invaluable resource: water. Scientists have found compelling evidence of vast reserves of water ice on Ceres, possibly even a subsurface ocean. This water could be the key to sustaining life, serving as a source of drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel when split into hydrogen and oxygen. In a solar system where water is more precious than gold, Ceres is a treasure chest waiting to be unlocked. And that's not all. Positioned at the heart of the asteroid belt, Ceres offers access to a wealth of resources, metals, minerals, and other materials that could fuel industries both on Ceres and back on Earth. Its low gravity also makes it an ideal launch pad for missions deeper into the solar system. With all these advantages, it's no wonder that scientists and visionaries are eyeing Ceres as a potential hub for humanity's future. Establishing a colony on Ceres wouldn't be easy. This isn't like building a city on Earth. It's an entirely different ballgame. The surface of Ceres is hostile, with no atmosphere to speak of and temperatures plunging to a frigid -100 degrees Fahrenheit. Radiation from the sun and cosmic sources constantly bombards the surface, posing a significant threat to any unshielded life. The first pioneers would likely be robots, sophisticated machines capable of working tirelessly in these harsh conditions. These robots would excavate the surface, extracting water ice, and building the infrastructure needed for human habitation. Imagine them assembling domes made from lightweight, radiation-resistant materials, or digging underground shelters that offer natural protection against the elements. Human settlers would arrive later, living in these advanced habitats. Power would come from nuclear reactors or highly efficient solar panels engineered to capture what little sunlight reaches Ceres. Life support systems would recycle air, water, and waste with near-perfect efficiency, creating a closed-loop ecosystem that leaves no room for error. Life on Ceres would be a delicate balance of survival and adaptation. The weak gravity, just 3% of Earth's, would redefine daily activities. Walking would feel more like gliding, and every movement would need to be precise to avoid floating uncontrollably. Colonists would likely wear magnetic boots or use tether systems to navigate their environments. Food production would be a marvel of modern engineering. Hydroponic farms would grow fresh fruits and vegetables under artificial lights, with every nutrient carefully measured to maximize yield. Waste would be repurposed into fertilizer, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Even the air you breathe would be part of this closed system, constantly purified and recycled. Social life would also adapt. In this alien environment, humans would find new ways to connect and find joy. Sports could evolve into spectacular displays of acrobatics, utilizing the low gravity to perform stunts impossible on Earth. Observation decks would offer unparalleled views of the asteroid belt, a glittering sea of rocks stretching endlessly into the void. And at night, colonists might gather to gaze at Jupiter's distant glow, a comforting reminder of the cosmos' vast beauty. But life on Ceres wouldn't be all wonder and discovery. The challenges would be immense. Without a magnetic field, Ceres offers no protection against deadly cosmic radiation. Colonists would need to spend most of their time inside shielded habitats, with outdoor activities strictly limited and heavily monitored. Supplies from Earth would be another hurdle. At over 200 million miles away, even the fastest spacecraft would take months to deliver essential goods. Self-sufficiency would be crucial, and any failure in the colony's systems could spell disaster. Then there's the human factor. Isolation, confined spaces, and a lack of natural environments could take a toll on mental health. Colonists would need robust support systems, including virtual reality environments to simulate Earth-like settings and regular communication with loved ones back home. Despite these challenges, the dream of settling Ceres is a vision worth pursuing. Imagine a future where this icy dwarf planet becomes a beacon of human ingenuity, a hub of scientific discovery, resource extraction, and interplanetary trade. Ceres could be our stepping stone to the stars, a place where we learn to live sustainably and independently in the harshest of environments. From here, we could launch missions to Jupiter's moons, the outer planets, or even beyond our solar system. As we push the boundaries of what's possible, Ceres reminds us of our incredible potential, the power to transform even the most inhospitable worlds into places of life, growth, and opportunity. In the grand journey of humanity, Ceres might be just one small step, but it's a step that could change everything. As we look to the stars for answers, this lonely dwarf planet offers a canvas on which to paint our future. The question isn't whether we'll move to Ceres, it's when. The universe is vast, and our story is just beginning. And perhaps, one day, we'll look back on Ceres not as a distant rock, but as a place where humanity found its second home and unlocked the doors to the cosmos.